What is going on, everybody? This is Adam here with Extreme Customs, bringing you another tire and wheel package. And we got a very polished one for you here today. We are looking at the American Force SS Ikon. This is going to be a 20 by 10, and it's going to be a negative 25 offset. Now, giving you the polished look and the American Force that they do so well of the wheel. You also have it, see it being paired with the Toyo tires, Open Country MT. It's going to be 35 by 12 by 5 by 20. So guys, an American Force, polished, being paired with a set of Toyo tires, Open Country. Tell us what you guys think of this wheel and tire package in the comments below. So there you guys have it, another tire and wheel package. If you're interested, check out more information in the description below. Like our Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube page so we can keep bringing you more RealView products you may be shopping for. Thank you guys so much for supporting a true garage startup.